Hello guys.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elisha Rod Anastasia Lubis. My ID number 2024-32047. Here, I will explain the networking practicum about IP addressing using VLSM and implementation of connectivity between multi-network. First, the purpose of this practicum is to design a network using VLSM in order to allocate IP address efficiently based on the number of hosts required in each network segment. We use one IP block and divide it into several subnet with different size instead of using the same subnet mask for all network. In this practicum, we are given one IP network and several requirements, which consists of three LAN network and three WAN network. The LAN network are used to connect end device such as PCs, while the WAN network used to connect router to point-to-point thing. To apply VLSM correctly, the subnetting process starts from the large host requirement to the smallest. The large subnet is LAN C, which require 45 hosts. So it use a 26 subnet mask. The next subnet is LAN B with 28 hosts using a 27 subnet mask, followed by LAN A with 14 hosts using 28 subnet masks. For the WAN connection, smaller subnet masks are used such as 28 and 26 because only a few IP addressing are need to connect router. After calculating the subnet address, each network segment has its own network address, a stable host range, a broadcast address. These IP addresses are assigned to the router interface and PCs according to the responsive network. Next, its PC is configured with an IP address subnet mask and a default gateway that point to the IP address of the router interface in the same subnet. This configuration is important so that data packet can be forwarded outside the local network. For router connectivity, the router are connecting use the serial link where one on-site at wait, for router connectivity, nggak ada ya, ada pelang. For router connectivity, the router are connecting using serial link where one site at as DCA and the other as DTE. The DCA interface is configured with a clock rate to provide synchronization for the serial communication. Routing is the configure either using static routing or a dynamic routing protocol such as RIP v2 to allow all router to exchange routing information. To verify the network configuration, connectivity testing is performed to verify the network configuration. Connectivity testing is performed using the ping command. The ping tests are conducted between LAN A LAN A and LAN B, LAN A and LAN A to LAN C, and LAN B and LAN C in both directions. The successful replies from its destination indicate that the IP addressing routing configuration and one connection are working properly. In conclusion, this practicum demonstrates that using VLSM allow efficient IP address allocation, reduce wasted IP addressing, and ensure for full connectivity between all network segments. All objects of the practicum have been successful achieved. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ngomong apa sih? Aduh sayang nih.